Look at the meniscus on that.
The meniscus.
The way it's like.
Maybe it's like a chocolate pudding.
It says since 1978.
That's not when it was packaged.
That's when they made it.
It's been recovered since 1978.
Oh no.
You like Tully's coffee.
I can see question marks all over your face.
Tastes a bit like chlorine. Is it chlorine?
You can have mine.
No, you can try it. Go on, try it.
I really don't like jelly.
Oh, I don't like jelly either. I've taken one for the team. Come on, I gave you lunch today. You're gonna eat your jelly.
Gave me lunch.
Come on.
Go ahead, Jerry boy.
You don't like it.
You just immediately just put it back.
Tell us more. Describe it.
What's the?
Very oishi.
Oh wow.
Oishi.
Very
But I'm
Japanese of you.
Sure, onaka ippai.
Yes, onaka
Wow.
ipai.